Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing Logitech's latest flagship mouse. This is the MX Master 3. This is the upgrade to the MX Master 2S, and we've just got this with us, and let's just quickly go ahead and unbox it and see what it is you get in the box for your money's worth. So the box obviously comes sealed, which is really nice. The seal will be at the top. So let's just go ahead and unbox this. The seal is on the top. We've already cut it open, and the box is actually pretty well packed. So do note that when you take this box apart, when you try to unbox this mouse, you are going to probably end up destroying the box in some way or the other. So once the outer casing is out, there is actually a really nice cardboard box on the inside as well. And when you open it up, you see the MX Master 3. Now there are a lot of changes that come with this mouse. The first and foremost being this new ribbed design on the side. We will get into the features and specifications of this mouse at a later point. So in the box you have the mouse itself. There is this brand new unifying receiver. This is actually compatible with all of Logitech's existing devices that work on the unifying platform. So you've got that, and in addition to that, there is also a small little packet tucked away into the side which has your charging cable. This is a USB Type-C charging cable because the mouse is now charged over USB Type-C, and a small instruction leaflet which is just containing some safety information and some usage guidelines. There's nothing in particular over here. There's no warranty information here, so you could actually read this once just to be sure and throw it away. There is no need for it. Other than that, there is also this little card that advertises the MX Keys keyboard, which is supposed to be out very soon. So overall, if you look at the contents of the Logitech MX Master 3's box, it's fairly minimal. You've got the mouse, you've got the unifying receiver, you've got a charging cable, and that's pretty much it. Now going over the features of the mouse, this works over both Bluetooth and this receiver, which means you can pair it with multiple devices, and it supports up to 3 devices just like its predecessor. So you can pair this mouse with up to 3 devices with a choice of either Bluetooth or the unifying receiver. In addition to that, some notable changes that we mentioned earlier were, first, the switch over to USB Type-C charging. This is actually pretty awesome, and a single charge can give you about 70 hours of usage of the mouse, 70 days worth of usage of the mouse. The second big change is on the side actually. One is this nice new ribbed finish which is supposed to make the grip on the side more comfortable. There are brand new buttons over here. These are more prominent than in the previous one, and then the scroll wheel is also brand new. It's using a new magnetic design which can allow you to scroll up to 1,000 lines in one go. The scroll button on the top is the same, and it has a little actuator button which allows you to switch between smooth scrolling or stepping scrolling. And then of course you have the left click and the right click with the Logitech branding on the left primary click of the mouse. So that's a quick look at the Logitech MX Master 3, the contents inside the box and its new features. Hopefully this video has been helpful for you to understand whether this mouse is worth purchasing or not, and I'll see you in the next one.